right? This is called, it's a method that's called partial fractions. And the reason, and this is a little speaking ahead because, you guys haven't got to this yet, but in calculus, there's two processes that you learn. One of them is differentiation, find a derivative, and the second is integration, find an integral. We don't need to know what those are yet, but if we wanted to find the integral of this thing here, we would not be able to do it. That's an integral symbol, right? We would not be able to do it because the numerator is not what we need it to be. It has to be precisely a certain thing. It would have to have been 2x minus 1 exactly. And then if it was, the integral would be the natural log of x squared minus x minus 6. Okay? But it's not in that form, so I can't do this problem. However, if I could figure out, if I could break this fraction into these fractions, these are called the partial fractions, that equal, the sum of these two equals this thing. Actually, each one of these, I can do the integration with. So that's why it's a method to solve an integral. When it's not in a form that we can integrate directly, we break it up into smaller fractions, partial fractions, and then we integrate each part, and that works. So that's why we learn this method. And when you get to calculus, you'll see that you'll get to that, and it'll say do it. And for a lot of kids, it'll be a hard thing to figure out. That's why we touch on it here. And if anybody's going to ask, the left hand, this is left-hand side, this is right-hand side. Right? And the whole process of doing this is just about setting up a system of equations and solving the system of equations.